Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your problems of direction concept. Yes, if your clock shows 4:30 as the time and its minute hand is facing east, then which direction is the hour hand facing? We do not change the direction. The direction is changed north, south, east, west. The direction is constant. We want to change the clock only. If your clock shows 4:30 time and its minute hand is facing east. So 4:30 means 4. This is the time. Am I right? 4:30. So the minute hand is facing east direction. Therefore, the hour hand will be north, and in between north and east it becomes northeast. The hour hand is facing northeast direction. Your answer is option C. Okay, we do not change the location, that is we do not change the direction, we want to change the clock. Okay, we want to rotate the clock where the minute hand and where the hour hand. This is your important thing in this question. Yes, this is your next question. Surendra put his wall clock on a table in such a way that 9 a.m. the hour hand was pointing south. Anyway, this is your south direction, this is your east, this is your west, this is your north. Okay, now that at 9 a.m. the hour hand was pointing south. Where is hour hand is located? So listen, this is the 9 o'clock. Okay, this is the 9 o'clock, 12 here. Just I am writing this is 9 and this is 12. So imagine this is the 9 o'clock, means it will be shows east direction. So I can rotate the watch. If it is 9 here and this is your 12. 9 o'clock. This is our hand is facing south. Am I right? Yes. Now, in which direction will the minute hour point at 9:30 p.m.? Anyway, this is your 9 o'clock time and this is 12, 6, 3. So if it is 9:30 means actually the 9:30 direction is 9 o'clock, 6. 9:30 now 9:30 means the minute hand will be coming here, the hour hand will be like here. Okay, minute hand is coming here means the minute hand point at 9:30 p.m. Minute hand is pointing which direction? West direction. So answer is option D. So you don't change your location, you want to change the clock location. Here 9 o'clock, actual value is 9:30 means like this is the hour and this is the minute hand. But we can rotate the clock. 9 is here and 6 is here. The 6 will be minute hand, pointing the minute hand. So minute hand means this is your west direction. The minute hand is pointing to the west direction. Yeah, this is the example of changing the object things in your direction concept. Thank you for watching.